the valuation-wise, the challenges, the opportunities for Baba trading 10 times earnings, the cheapest in the world. I think I may have mentioned this in previous discussions. Baba has been one of the cheapest global tech stocks in all stock markets in the world, trading at 10 times without even paying anything for its cloud business, for its enterprise collaboration DingTalk business, for its second-hand e-commerce called the Idle Fish business, for its Hema business, which is like a Whole Foods in China. I think your risk reward looks darn good, and now you have this AI, sauce in the mix. I think the run has a bit of a way to go from here even.
Yeah, I mean, we've got Mizuho with about $140 price target, and that could just be the beginning, I think. But Jiong Shao, on to AI, right? There were reports and unsubstantiated, right, that Baba sank about $1 billion into DeepSeek. I'm not sure what you're hearing about that. I'd be interested to know. But also, are there plans? Do we know if they're about to drop their own version of DeepSeek? I mean, new LLMs are dropping from Chinese names almost on a daily basis now.
Exactly. So by the way, DeepSeek is open source. Not only it is open source, they published a paper and telling the world how they did it, right? They used some techniques about reinforcement learning, about the mixture of experts, techniques like that, and very, very quickly, everybody else is kind of learning from the master in a way, from the teacher. In fact, on the earnings call today, I think the CEO of Baba, Eddie Wu, talked about their next version of Q1 will have just as strong, if not stronger, reasoning capabilities as DeepSeek, right? Because everybody learned from them, and at a minimum, you should be as good as them, if not better. And Baba is hosting DeepSeek in that cloud already. This is another thing I want to highlight is that unlike many, many companies in the so-called AI land, Baba has the largest cloud infrastructure in Asia, fourth largest in the world. So if anybody going to benefit in the near term from this AI surge in terms of the demand, it's Baba. So I don't think they need to invest in DeepSeek, by the way. And about DeepSeek, I think I saw news today say they came out denying that they are looking for outside funding. And if you can take whatever the DeepSeek has done and to add to what you are doing, come up with something better, why are you investing in someone like DeepSeek?
Jiong Shao, I'm sure you were watching the symposium on Monday. President Xi Jinping meeting with top entrepreneurs, top companies, and the symbolic Jack Ma, who is symbolic for the tech crackdown 4 years ago. He was present at this meeting, but absent was that of Baidu. And one excuse we heard was they were just busy with earnings. I want to get your take about the Baidu absence and, of course, with this reappearance of Jack Ma from Alibaba.
First off, I have no insight whatsoever why Robin Li was not there, but I would doubt the reason was he was too busy dealing with earnings. I think it's very fair to say that's something, once you get the invitation, you are not going to miss. But for Baidu, I think we had a note out yesterday. For Baidu, in a way, there's an existential risk, right? Because earlier I was just talking about, okay, everybody's waiting for the killer app, and Zuckerberg was talking about AI agent. This year is the year, but the chatbot is not a killer app. But still, there's at least half dozen very, very good chatbots in China alone, and many people think that chatbots are just improved version of search. That if that's really the case, everybody start to use chatbot. Who needs to use search engine again? So that's a very, very serious threat to Baidu, and they're dealing with a classic innovator's dilemma. In a way, you are innovating sort of to get yourself killed in a way, but if you don't somebody else is going to come out to destroy you.